Hello my beauties, my chicas, welcome back to my channel. As you already know, this is a hair tutorial slash a hair review on this type of hair that I ordered and I got from SAMSBEAUTY. Before I get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any of my videos I post, so you'll be notified when I first upload a video. And like and comment, because some people don't comment. Like, just drop by and say hi, how you doing, or stuff like that. It won't hurt, it never do. I say hey back, I give you a shout out, hey back, or whatever. So let's get into this video. This is a video based on the hair tutorial, but it's my opinion about this hair, and I ordered from SAMSBEAUTY, and it's from a line Sensationnel, but SAMSBEAUTY sell the hair, and it's from Boutique Deep. It's like human hair blend. It's a premium too. So my thoughts about this hair is really awesome. When I made the hair, when I sewed the hair on the dome cap, it's like completely, I love it. And let me get a close view of the hair. The hair is like, it's like long. This is like the 18, 20, 22. This is like the hair, and I really love it. And it does sheds. When I say shed, it shed. I almost spent my stool. But it does sheds, and it's like minimum shedding, but not a lot. But of course, like, some people don't like the shedding, but it's okay with me. It's like, as long as it don't shed too much, it's okay in my book. But it's minimum shedding. And here's the package that it came into. This big old package, like Boutique Deep. And of course, I use a dome cap and all. This is what hair left that I didn't use, of course. And the color I got was T1B/30. Here's the model and everything. But when I ordered this hair, the color was like a little, like, it looked orange online, but when I got in person, it looked just like brown. So I wasn't mad. I can't complain, because you get what you ask for. So I'm really not mad. I love the color. As long as it suits my skin, it's okay, because it's like an odd color. I'm not gonna do like blonde. I would try blonde, like that 613, but it gotta be a little black in it. So yeah, it's okay. But anyway, I'm not gonna chit chat longer. So I know y'all wanted to get to the video tutorial, so how I made this wig. So without further ado, let's go into the video. And one thing I forgot to mention, this hair was under $20, so I paid $19.99 for this hair, and plus the shipping and handling, because it was domestic, for $4.99 for shipping. And if you order over $75, it's free shipping. But due to the color, it was like $17, but the color was like T1B/30. It's like a higher model color, so it was extra $2. So I had to pay like all the total was $19.99. I ordered 2 weeks, but I showed the second one whenever. But altogether was like $32 some dollars. But yeah, but it was $19.99 when I paid for it, and you get what you ask for, you get what you pay for. So I'm not complaining. So I really love this hair for $19, and it's like everything. This is the best hair I've had. So if you want to know, I would leave everything down in the description box. If you want to know everything about this hair, if you want to see more stuff that they sell, because they sell more stuff on that line. And SAMSBEAUTY, they got wigs, human hair blend, synthetic, all type of hair. You will see it all on the website. So yeah, the things you would need is some thread, some duckbill clips, shears, a needle, and a dome cap. Sorry my camera's a bit out of focus, but it's focusing back in, so I get it right. Here is me applying my dome cap onto my foam head. Tip of advice, don't use a foam head because it moves a lot. It's best to use a mannequin head. It's better, the more stable. So I suggest use a mannequin head, not a foam head. Here's me holding the closure, and the closure is very thin. I'm holding the wrong way, but you get what I'm saying. And this is the closure. I really love this color. As I said before, it's the color is T1B/30, and it was orange, so it looked brown when I got it. So here is the bundles I'm holding, and the bundles I got was 18, 20, and 22. Of course, I love the bundles because it's 2 per bundle. And yeah, here's a picture of the model. I love the model, how she rocking it, but it looked full with her in the picture, but it's not full when I'm wearing it, so whatever on that. Here is me holding the web, and when I tell y'all the web is thin, they are very thin. And just same as the closure, it's not a lace closure, but it's a type of closure. But the webs are very thin, and you gotta double it to make it full, as you already know. As you can see, I already started sewing my webs down on my dome cap, and I'm starting with the 22, and it's like pretty easy to sew it down on a dome cap. But you can see I'm doing the lock stitch method, and I always do that on my sewings because it's much easier and faster. As I'm sewing it down, I'm pulling through the hole and pulling through it and make it tight. Here is me sewing down my closure. I saw when my head is in the way, but you know how I'm doing. As I said before, the lock stitch method, and I'm doing that to sew my closure down and make sure it's secure. It won't flop up or move around. So you know how it is when you wear wigs and sew-ins and weaves and stuff like that. You gotta keep them secure. As I'm keep going, and I'm taking this 20, just sewing down. I know y'all wonder why I'm doubling it. As I've said before, you have to double it to make it full. So I'm sewing it down, and having the time I did an overlay, so I sewed the track down, and then when I did one track over another track, so I call it a track overlay, a web overlay, whatever you call it. Here is what I was talking about before, that I do an overlay. I'm sewing one track down, and I'm going to take the other piece that's hanging and put on top of that. So I call it a track overlay when I do my sewed ends and wigs unit. Here I am closing it in, just double my trap and closing it in. Sorry my hair in the way. I forgive me because I'm just into it. I was late, I was tired, so I'm just trying to finish. Here is my finished unit, my wig look, and I hope you enjoy. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all beauties in my next video. Bye my chicas.